Hello everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw day 22 of March of Robots. Just so you know, there's a coloring book that you can get through Amazon. Just follow the link in my description and you can get a coloring book to show me how you color to how I draw. Okay, sketching first and then Sharpie. So if you don't want to watch the sketching portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out with a gray Copic marker, look in the description and you'll find a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. That was awfully quiet. I'll even include one for color. But for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and get us going. Alright, we're getting weird again. I mean, when haven't we? But, I was trying to come up with something. It's like, let's do something we haven't done before, right? Let's do a shape we haven't done before. Let's do something that is not what you're expecting, right? And so I kind of came up with a shape that looked pretty good to me. That looked very strange and wonderful. I said, "Ooh, that's it. That's what I want to go for. That's the one I want to build." So just give me a second to sketch. My Sharpie or my sketch marker is dying on me. I don't know if it's going to last through all of this adventure, you know? So I might have to go out and get another one. Wow, I don't even think it's going to last through this. That might be it. We might have to get going. Yeah, that's it. We're done with my sketch because that's all this is giving me. So, let's welcome all the skippers and get going. Welcome skippers, welcome to the Sharpie portion of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I do a different drawing every day. You can join along and have some fun. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen, mostly the fine point, but a pen's a little finer than the fine point. It can find things that a fine point can't quite find. I've sketched the entire thing out. I've erased the majority of the sketch lines, but left myself enough to see where we're going to go. And I'm going to jump right in. I had to go with this because my marker died. That's it. It lasted 22 drawings. That's all. There you go. If you want to know how long Copic markers last, I pushed it through 22. Not very good. We'll go and get another one and see how that goes. But for $8, come on. $8 worth of... I'm going to stop now. Let's just go. Let's just dive right into whatever this weirdness is I started drawing. Again, I was coming up with something strange, something weird, and this is what I got. It was kind of along the lines of the whole the Matrix characters, like the ones I did. I said Jeff Darrow designed a majority of them for the Matrix, like his sketches, and didn't like 3D design them, but that kind of feel is basically what I was feeling. I was like, I'm gonna go for the weird, the strange, who knows what it is, you know? And so again, that's what I'm going for. Like it's not quite a flower, it's not quite a bug, but it's some kind of mechanical some kind of mechanical thing that we don't understand. You know, that's what I'm going for again. Just the whole, who knows. I did draw like eyes, so let's go ahead and do that. What else did I do? I did a thumbnail, and that's kind of what I keep referring to. It's like, ooh, that thumbnail came out great. And sometimes that works out too. It's like the thumbnail is so tiny and small and just, you know, ideas that it's like, ooh, what is that? What could that be? Because sometimes it's a thumbnail, so it doesn't make any sense. And I think that's also the interesting thing about it is like, ooh, I I want to try to recreate what I did with that thumbnail, even though I don't know what I did. You know, it's like it's got some kind of design on it that's beautiful and strange, but because it's so tiny, it's a thumbnail. So it's like, well, how do I make that greatness into this, that mystery of I don't know where we're going. I want some kind of well, let's see, hang on, let me draw. I've got him kind of hunched over in like this, not caterpillar, but some kind of segmented design, right? That's the whole idea, that I wanted it to be mechanical and mysterious, right? So like we don't know exactly what this design is, what it does, but I wanted it to be like that. Like I said, very, very strange, very who knows what. By layers of things that we don't quite understand. How many times do I need to say that? I just feel like I need to explain it a lot, and I don't know why. But also, again, like to make it like, I like that as much as I always tell you, yeah, it's cool and it should look like we don't know how to explain it, we don't know, understand. I'm constantly trying to explain it to you. I'm constantly trying to justify, well, here's why I did it, you know? But I think mostly it's just me trying to talk it through, trying to say, well, this is what I was thinking. What do you think, you know? What's funny is I don't know what I'm doing here, but the more I came up with it, it's like, ooh, it looks like some kind of castle guard type kind of thing. So yeah, the stranger the better. I wanted some kind of weapon up here, some kind of like Gatling gun type kind of thing, but again, I want it to be alien. I want it to be like I keep saying, ununderstandable. So let's do, I'm going to do it with no, let's do it by hand. Let's do it by hand. I'm just going to do some kind of like that. And then I'm going to thicken it up a little bit. And it's a little primitive that we're doing it off to the side, but again, I got him walking that way, so it's like, yeah, it works. So here, again, see, I'm just kind of coming up with something that's not normal. To kind of give it that otherworldly feel that it wasn't created by man. So now I'm just going to kind of give it some little detail of something. I don't know what yet. But the best example I can give you is the District 9 weapons that Weta created. Those are a thing of beauty. They look mechanical but alien. And that's kind of what I'm trying to do. Not here, obviously, but what I'm trying to tell you is like make something that doesn't look like it was man-made. It does, but it doesn't. It's like you can see the mechanical creation behind it, but there's something about it that's off, that looks alien. And that's kind of what I'm going for here. That's why I'm saying just design something that that it looks manufactured but alien, like strange, and who knows what that is, right? For all we know, that's an axe. Like that's a blade and an axe, someone put it in his top. We don't know. But again, that's what we're going for. Strange and beautiful. Okay, for his front piece, this isn't what I sketched, but when I was just sketching right now, this is what came out. It's like, ah, cool, a little different, a little mysterious, like I was saying, a little who knows what it is. But that's my contribution. That's my oh, you know what? I've got the wrong Sharpie here. That's my thought process to try to help you out, is do something a little different. Try to make it look like an alien designed it, because that's what we're going for here on this one. Alien tech. But is it? Okay, for his leg, hip type kind of thing, I'm gonna give him some kind of well, I gave him like these arm looking things, but I also wanted to give him like a what do you call it, like maybe shoulder pads. Like if these were his arms, like way down here, I gotta give him like some kind of shoulder pad thing that's connected. And so let's go ahead and do same thing, like some kind of weapon that's kind of a yeah, exactly. Like I just said, alien. I don't know why I'm trying to come up with better words, or why I'm just stick with alien. Alien tech. And again, remember, you don't have to draw every single line like I'm drawing, because I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of adding stuff to give it features that aren't real, you know? Okay. Let's do the same thing over here. Just kind of make something up like we did like there. So it's going to have a long stick, like this. It's going to have some kind of heart container. I didn't mean for that to happen, but it ended up being like that. Some kind of housing that goes like that is connected to this strong arm that's going through. Can't see where it's attached there because it's on the other side. And some kind of back end like that into the top. Coming in, coming down, coming in, coming down, straight across with a weird tip. There you go. I'm going to try to make it look the same, but again, who knows? No one's going to look at it and say, hey, that's not the same over there as it is. And even if they do, hey, yeah, you're right. Now you draw it. You show me your version. Let's close it off right here. I've got kind of just an open spot. Okay, so for the legs, nothing too crazy. Just the old, housing like this. I'm going to connect it somehow with something inside there. Okay, what was I doing? Sorry, I had to edit in the video right there real fast. Closing it off, that's it. Yeah, nothing too crazy. We're just going to bring this down. And again, I'm just kind of doing a, the old alien attachment. Nothing too crazy. With a very pointy Very pointy toe. Something like that. And I'll just add some kind of inner housing type kind of closure. There, again, just giving it some kind of a little bit of alien look. There we go. And then do the same thing over here. Okay, so I'm going to close that off. And since it's a sideways foot, we're just going to draw like that. Then just a little bit of the same thing, a little bit of that old alien tech. And again, sideways view of what we're seeing right there in the front. So there's only so much we really have to draw. So there you go. I said we take care of the rest with color. So that is day 22, March of Robots.
So here's how I colored it. Tell me what you think in the comments below, or show me what you did in our Discord group. Just have fun and make it your own, because remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures with How I Draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos.